Hi guys, good morning to everyone. Today I have given a typing test for SSC CGL mock test. So my typing speed was 31 word per minute. But actually we need typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 word per minute in Hindi for tier 2. Okay, you got it right? Okay. Apart from that, I have given a full length mock test and my score was 58 out of 200. I have made huge amount of mistakes. I made 20 mistakes. For suppose if I made 0 mistakes, then 34 into 2 it's 68. In the sense I will be able to score 50% of the cutoff mark. The present cutoff mark is 150, but I can score 70. Yeah, it's approximately 48%. My accuracy is 63%. So my next target is to increase my accuracy to 72% and reduce my mistakes to 10 and increase my rise to 40. As you can see, that's my goal. Review wrong. As you can see guys, in math I took more than 100 seconds. More than 100 seconds only in mathematics. It's 200 seconds, it's 120 seconds, it's 150, approximately more than 100. Whereas in other subjects, you can see in English or reasoning, I hardly took 30 seconds. 30 or less than that, that's it. 30 seconds is more. So I came to a conclusion that I need to improve mathematics a lot. Point number 1. Point number 2, I need to improve in English. I need to attempt English within 20 seconds, but I took a bit long, 30 seconds. Yeah. And I need to solve math within 60 seconds. So I need to make my at present efforts into 4 times. I need to work hard. And I already told that this is my 31 word per minute in English, but it's mentioned 35. So I need to increase it to 40 to 45 words per minute. That's my task. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.